Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do human anatomy and physiology. In that, we will discuss about connective tissues. Connective tissues is the most abundant tissue in the body. The connective tissue cells are more widely separated from each other than in epithelial type tissues, and, and intercalcular substances, that is matrix, is present in considerably larger amounts. There are usually fibers present in the matrix, which may be of a semi-solid jelly-like consistency or dense and rigid, depending upon the position of the functions of a tissue. The fibers form a supporting network for the cells to attach to. Most types of connective tissues have a good blood supply. Major function of connective tissues are binding and structural support, protection, transport, insulations. Cells in connective tissues. Connective tissues excluding blood is found in all organs supporting the specialized tissue. The different types of cell involved include fibroblasts, fat cells, macrophages, leukocytes, and mast cells. Now we'll discuss further about connective tissues. Tissues that supports, protects, and gives structure to other tissues and organs in the body. Connective tissues also store fat, helps move nutrients and other substances between tissues and organs, and helps repair damaged tissues. Connective tissues is made up of the cells, fibers, and gel-like substances. Connective tissues are tissues that support and bind the body's organ and tissues together. They are found throughout the body. Components. First component is the cells. The cells in connective tissues secrete protein fibers such as collagen and elastin that form a framework. Fibers. The fibers in connective tissues provide strength, flexibility, and elasticity. Ground substance. A thin gel of polysaccharides that, along with the fibers, make up the matrix ground substances. Matrix or ground substances. The types of connective tissues. Different types of tissues in the body is given here. Dense connective tissues found in tendons and ligaments. This tissues is made up of closely packed collagen fibers. Adipose tissues, also known as the fat tissues. This tissue is made up of the cells that store fat. Cartilage. This tissue provides a structural support and protection for joints. Loose connective tissues. These tissues contain and attaches to organs. Fibroelastic connective tissues. These tissues provide strength and flexibility to structure in the respiratory system. Aerolar connective tissues. These tissues support and binds other tissues and helps defend against infection. Bone. This tissue is made of connective tissues reinforced with calcium and specialized bone cells. The function of types of connective tissues depends on the nature of the intercellular substances present. Connective cells are supported with other cells by mast cells and macrophages widely separated by elastic and collagen fibers. It is found in almost every part of the body, providing elasticity and tensile strength. It connects and supports other tissues, for example, under the skin, between the muscles, supporting blood vessels and nerves in the alimentary canal, in glands, supporting secretory cells. Now, so far I have done about the human anatomy and physiology about connective tissues. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.